Hello, faith friends. Today is April 1, 2022, and I'm your gospel sharer for today, Lordelyn Fanar from St. Augustine Quasay Parish. Our gospel for today is according to John 7:1-2, 10:25-30. In today's gospel, after Jesus went to Galilee, he did not wish to go to Judea because the Jews might kill him, but he decided to travel alone in public, but secretly. The Jews were confused if who is the man, Jesus. They wonder if he is Jesus. They didn't know where he came from, but they know his parents and where he came from. Alam nila ang pinanggalingan at mga magulang ng taong nakapasok sa kanilang lugar. Jesus announced that he is from God the Father. Then Jesus started to preach. My dear faith friends, kung tayo kaya ang pinagbantaan na patayin, handa ba nating ialay ang ating buhay para maipakalat ang salita ng Diyos? Tayo bilang mga normal na nilikha ng Diyos. Mayroon mga taong malalapit sa atin, mga kaibigan, kapamilya, at mga katrabaho man. Araw-araw natin silang nakakasama, pero hindi natin sila lubusang nakikilala. Mga ka-faith friends, sa ating gospel ngayon ay ating pagnilayan ang misteryo ng Panginoon. Kilala ba natin ang Panginoon? Do we truly know God? One of my takeaways from today's gospel is to know one person. We must first have an intimate relationship with them. Likewise, to know Jesus, we must have a deep relationship with Him. How do we build our relationship with God? We pray, attend Mass, listen to sermon of priest, and we read the Bible. We live by His words. We follow Him by doing godly deeds. But for us, the truth, it is very impossible to know God completely. Because God is full of mystery. Napakalawak ang katotohanan at misteryo ng Panginoon. Sa pamamagitan ng ating mga prayers, panalangin, nakikipag-usap tayo sa Kanya at naniniwala tayo sa pag-ibig niya na walang katumbas. His love is incomparable, and it is very amazing. Ang katotohanang handa siyang magpakamatay sa krus dahil sa pag-ibig niya sa atin. Today, we are in the 4th week of the Lenten season, and this is one of the best time to know more about God's love for us. Let us exacerbate our knowledge about God. My dear faith friends, ipagpatuloy natin na pag-aralan at pagnilayan ang mga salita ng Diyos. And most of all, let us experience God, for I believe to strengthen our relationship with Him is to experience God itself. To be updated, just click www.faithbook.ph and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Faithbook YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless us all. Always remember, God first.